This cheesecake turned out wonderful. This is a sweet potato cheesecake. You see the sweet potatoes mixture is mingling with the cheese cake. Oh my goodness. I outdid myself on this recipe, y'all. I want you to try it. It's a cheesecake, sweet potato cheesecake. And it is fabulous to have that taste of the sweetness of the cheesecake and the sweetness of the sweet potato pie that blends in with it. My. I have outdone myself again. This is Sandra until you have eaten, and thank you for coming to my channel and get these recipes. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is my sweet potato cheesecake. I want to show you how easy it is to make a sweet potato cheesecake. All you have to do is go in the kitchen, make that recipe for the cheesecake and New York cheesecake that I have on my website and on my YouTube channel. It's New York style cheesecake by soulfoodqueen.net. Make your own cheesecake crumbs if you want to make it out of graham crackers and butter, melted butter. You can do that and add a little sugar, and then you're gonna have a recipe for your sweet potato pie. Yes, your sweet potato pie. What you use the sweet potato pie to go into this cheesecake sweet potato. Yeah, the sweet potato cheesecake. That's what you use. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you're gonna have to do is put some of the icing. I mean, not the icing. Excuse me. I'm trying to talk fast, y'all. Try to put some of the filling, the New York cheesecake filling, in first. I'll show you. You're gonna put half of the cheesecake batter in first. You're gonna swerve some of the sweet potato batter inside those cheesecake mixture. You're gonna swerve it. You're gonna use about 4 big tablespoons full to swerve that in just like that. And we're gonna put the remaining on top, the remaining of the cheesecake on top of this. You're gonna leave it kind of hunky like that, and you're gonna put some more sweet potato right in the middle, just like this, y'all. Just right in the middle of the sweet potato batter inside, just like that. You're just gonna swerve it again, just like that. You're gonna swerve it again. You're gonna swerve it, and you're gonna put it in the oven at 325 for an hour and 15 minutes, and you're gonna see how beautiful this sweet potato cheesecake turned out. This is our end results of our sweet potato cheesecake. It turned out beautiful. I haven't took it away from the foam pan yet, but it turned out beautiful. It smells wonderful. It is beautiful. I'm gonna cut you a piece and let you see how it looks, and it is marvelous. It's so simple, so easy to make this wonderful sweet potato cheesecake, y'all. Two cups maybe. We're gonna see if it's 4 cups, and we're gonna put it all in this right here and see. And it's really not 4 cups, so it's like a cup and 1/3 left. But we're gonna add it here because I like all that good old crust on the cheesecake. So we're gonna add some more butter. Now you follow the recipe on the box, but I always added something different, y'all. You know me. So we're gonna add a little bit more sugar to it like that, and we're gonna add that butter, and we're gonna crumble this up like this and get this crust, this graham cracker crust, ready to form in this pan here. And we're gonna get this done, and we'll be right back. But I want to make sure you see how we do this, because it has to have some kind of form to it like this. See, like that? When you have it like that, you got it. You got it when you got it like that. So what we're going to do is blend all this together, and make sure it's ready to go in this form pan for this New York style cheesecake that I promised y'all. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do this like this. Make sure all the crumbs is incorporated with the butter. Now I add what it asks for, and then I add more butter to it because we add the whole package. We add the whole package into this dish, and we're gonna make sure that it's all formed together, and we'll be right back and let you see what it looks like. All right, I got it all formed in the pan. I mashed it down, and it's ready. So we're getting ready to do the mixture, and we'll be right back. All right, what we're doing now is adding 4 packages, 8 ounces of cream cheese. What we're doing is blending this until it's fluffy, just like this. Blend it and make sure it's room temperature, because it won't be good if you don't make it room temperature. So make sure it's room temperature, and this is what we're doing, making it fluffy. And I'm telling you, this is going to be good. Look how fluffy it is. We're going to speed it up a little bit. See how fluffy it is. Nice. Now fluffy, your fluffy might not look like my fluffy, but I think this is fluffy and smooth. I'll speed it up a little bit and see what it does. I've been doing a lot of cooking, y'all. Okay. Now, I'm following the directions on this box. And what it says, in large mixing bowl, beat cream cheese on medium speed. Unless you have an electric mixer, you have to have an electric mixer. And you cannot do it by hand until fluffy, and add 1/3 cup of sugar. But you know me, I want to add a little bit more sugar. And then we put the cornstarch. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So what I'm doing is adding the cornstarch and the sugar. Just like this. See how fluffy it's getting there? And it's fluffy right here, y'all. And it adds for 1 1/3 cup of sugar, so I just went on up to 1.5. Let the rest, and then cornstarch. It's fluffy. Easy recipe. It's all fluffed up like this. It's all blended. And I'm going to come right back. I'm going to take the sides off of the spoon and be right back. I'm going to add the eggs. Alright, I got everything on the side of the bowl. I got everything scraped on every side of the bowl. So I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. 1 egg at a time, y'all. 1 egg at a time. And then the last egg. Okay. Wow, look at that. That looks good, don't it? It's all blended. It's something about blending your desserts to make sure it's blended. It can have a good texture and a good taste. Okay? And now what we're going to do is add the vanilla. And it asks for the vanilla. Excuse me, y'all. I'm kind of a little hoarse a little bit. They ask for 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So we're going to do it like this. Eyeball it. At 1 tablespoon. And we're going to blend that together. I'm sure you put any flavors you want in it, like pineapple or strawberry, whatever you think. I just put that in there. If it's a New York cheesecake, I'm sure you just put vanilla. Get all that blended. Blend it. And next we're gonna put the sour cream. It's a cup of sour cream. Goes in this, y'all. Cup of sour cream. Sorry for the noise. Y'all do it like that. Y'all, we're in the country. And then we blend this together. Now, we blend all this together, and this is all you do. Blend the sour